In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Charles Schwab tax documents. We'll walk through the quickest official method on the Schwab website, and I'll share what you can expect to see on the 1099 dashboard along with typical availability dates so you know when to check back. Start by heading to the Schwab website and signing into your account. For the smoothest experience, use a desktop browser and a secure internet connection. Once you're logged in, look for the top navigation and click Accounts. From there, select Statements and Tax Forms. This is your central hub for anything you need to download for tax time. Next, open the 1099 dashboard. This page organizes all your eligible tax forms in one place, so you don't have to hunt through multiple menus. You'll see items like the Consolidated 1099 or, if it applies to you, a 1042-S. When you find the form you need, click it to open and then download the PDF. It's a good idea to save the file to a clearly labeled folder on your computer, and if you like to stay extra organized, rename the file with the tax year and account nickname. During tax season, the 1099 dashboard also shows the status of each form. You might see available if it's ready to download, pending if Schwab is still preparing it, or corrected if a revised version has replaced an earlier one. If a form is marked corrected, that newer document is the one you'll want to use for your return. The dashboard is updated as forms are finalized, so checking here is the fastest way to confirm what's ready. As for timing, here's what's typical. The first batch of forms usually appears in late January. Most accounts are updated by mid to late February, and by the end of February, you'll see final or corrected forms, especially if your holdings required additional adjustments. Exact timing can vary depending on the securities in your account and whether issuers reclassify income, so don't worry if yours takes a little longer. You'll usually receive an email notification from Schwab when your forms are posted. Keep an eye on your inbox, and if you don't see anything by the expected window, check your spam or junk folder just in case. That's all there is to it. Log in, go to Accounts, select Statements and Tax Forms, open the 1099 dashboard, and download your PDFs. Save them somewhere secure, and you'll be ready to share them with your tax professional or import them into your tax software.